typing WA shortcut. This is just save project pop-up. Let's cancel it. And now we're in the wall command. So now you can draw your wall using these tools over here. And first you need to set up some basic settings. Here you need to set up, do you want the wall to go up above the level that you're on or below the level? I want up, so I'm going to go height. Here we have unconnected, which means it will go 8 meters up, but I want to connect it to this level 2, so I'm just gonna go here and hit level 2. So it will go from level 1 to level 2. This we'll talk about a bit later. This is the chain, so now when I draw the wall, when I draw one wall, it will immediately go into a second wall, so I don't have to start again. And if I uncheck this, you see this is now finished. Now I have to start again. So usually I like to leave this checked in. And then there is the offset command, which is basically if you want to draw in an offset. So if I want to have a 1 meter wide corridor over here, I can go here and type in 1, enter, and just hit here and here, and you can see this wall is offsetted by 1 meter. Now when you've drawn all these walls, you can move them around, and you can use these here dimension lines. So if I hit here, I can write 2, and this is 2 meters, or I can move this here, move this there, or you can use these grips at the end and you can change basically like that. Now when you've already drawn your walls, you can select them and you can use these setups over here. So you can find your base constraint, which is level 1, you can change it, or you can change the top constraint, which is level 2, or you can make some offset. If you wanted your wall to start, let's say 1 meter below level 1, you would just type this in and go apply, and now when we go into 3D, we'll see that this wall is a bit lower. That is our 1 meter offset. I'm just gonna put it on 0 for now. So I'm gonna go back to level 1 and let's talk about these here location lines. So here I have just a basic floor, and let's start drawing a wall on the periphery of this floor. So I'm going to go WA, and when I start drawing, you can see our wall is basically on the center of this line, which is wrong. You don't want that. You want your wall on the inside of the floor. And let's change our wall. You can basically change your walls over here in this drop menu, and let's use something a bit more complex like this wall. So you have all these layers and it's basically on the middle. You don't want that. So I'm going